In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Etsy coupon for a buy two, get 100% off offer. We'll be doing this inside your Etsy shop manager using Chrome, and the goal is to set up a custom coupon code that gives buyers a full discount when they purchase at least 2 items. This can be a useful promotional strategy if you want to boost order volume, encourage bundle purchases, or create a limited time marketing campaign that stands out clearly to shoppers. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, go to your shop manager. This is where you control your shop settings, listings, orders, and promotions. If you're new to this area, take your time and make sure you're in the correct seller dashboard before moving on. Next, look for the marketing section in the left-hand menu. Click on marketing and then choose sales and discounts. This is the area where Etsy lets you create promotional offers for your shop, including percentage discounts, sales, and coupon codes. Since we want shoppers to enter a code to claim this offer, we'll be creating a custom coupon rather than a general sale. From there, create a brand new custom coupon code offer. As you set it up, make sure you choose the option that lets you define the discount structure manually. You want this promotion to apply a 100% discount, but only when the buyer purchases a minimum quantity of 2 items. This minimum quantity requirement is important because it prevents the offer from applying to a single item and ensures the promotion works the way you intend. As you enter the coupon details, double check the wording, discount amount, and quantity threshold before saving. Accuracy matters here because even a small setup mistake can change how the promotion behaves at checkout. If Etsy shows a preview or summary of the discount rules, review that carefully so you can confirm everything is correct. Once the offer is ready, save the settings. After that, the final step is to display the coupon details on your listing images so buyers know how to claim it. This part is especially important because even the best promotion won't help much if customers don't notice it. Make sure the message on your images is clear, easy to read, and simple enough for shoppers to understand quickly while browsing. And that's it. You've now created a custom Etsy coupon code for a 100% discount with a 2 item minimum, and you've made it visible on your listing images so buyers know exactly how to use it.